Hi, I'm Andrea from the Sapphire Theater Company, and I'm here promoting our virtual stage open mic night Thursday at 7 p.m., streaming live on Facebook or on our YouTube channel, and I hope you can join us from home. I will be joining in the audience with this classic cocktail I'm offering a tutorial for today, the Whiskey Sour. Now, for the Whiskey Sour, you will need whiskey. Today I'm using this 101 proof Wild Turkey. That's because today's cocktail is dedicated to all of you teachers out there. Join me. And sour mix. I did not have any on hand, so I made this homemade from scratch. All you need is equal parts citrus juice and sugar to make your own. Cocktail bitters, pre-prepared cocktail glasses, garnish of choice. I have citrus wedges and cherries, ice, a cocktail shaker, and my secret ingredient. This is the white of one large egg. Now, it is optional, but stay with me. If you've never tried a classic whiskey sour made this way, I highly recommend it. If you're a vegetarian, you can substitute aquafaba, which is the liquid from 1 can of chickpeas instead of the egg white, but it adds a lot to the drink. It is tasteless in a cocktail. You won't taste it. Don't worry about it tasting eggy, but it fortifies the cocktail and gives it a nice frothy head, which is an enjoyable texture. So for this whiskey sour, we use 2 parts whiskey. So I'm just adding this to the cocktail shaker. Now, artist friends, if you're interested in joining and presenting your art, whether that's a song, a poem, a reading, a monologue, even visual art, on our open stage, please send an email to stcopenmic@gmail.com. We would love to have you. We'll promote whatever you're doing. It's a rough time for the arts community right now, and we want to help out. Please join us. And then 1 part of sour mix. Now I'm going to add the egg white. You'll notice I haven't added the ice to my shaker yet. That's because I'm going to use a technique called dry shaking. Whenever you have an egg in a cocktail, and this is true for a lot of sours, so whether it's a whiskey sour, a pisco sour, amaretto sour, what have you, you want to dry shake it first. That helps incorporate the egg into the other ingredients and froth it up just a little bit more. So once you've dry shaken it, add the ice, a couple handfuls. Now this is a cocktail you can serve over the rocks or up, whatever you prefer. So shake it to chill, mix it just a little bit better, and now pour it out. I hope you'll join me Thursday night, with or without a whiskey sour in hand. You can see that nice froth coming up, and it's a little bit thicker than what you would see with just the whiskey and the sour mix. Our host, Daniel Martin, is the best host in Indianapolis. He'll take good care of you if you're an artist. Again, email stcopenmic@gmail.com. Or join me Thursday night in the audience on our Facebook page or YouTube. Cheers. Oh, that's delicious.